Hi, my name is Nicolas, I'm the French eReader guy, and today I will show you the best plugins for Calibre software. If you don't know the Calibre software, it's a free open source software which helps you manage your ebook library. You can add functionalities as plugin to this software, and I will show you my best 15 extension for this software. If you don't know how to use Calibre, I also have a video on the channel which helps you install and configure it. So let's start with how to see the plugins. So you need to enter preferences here, click here on plugins, and here you have your already installed plugin, and you can get here new plugins. So we'll start with Ebook Translator plugin. Here it's a plugin that helps you translate ebook into a specific language and optionally keeping the original content. So it's a plugin that needs a subscription to a translation service, but it is really useful if you want to translate some paragraphs or even full ebooks with it. If you need more information, please add a comment in below the video if you want me to show you how to use this plugin. Next we have the plugin WordDumb, which create Kindle worldwide and X-ray files for EPUB if you have a Kindle e-reader. So if you have downloaded an EPUB, you use Calibre to add your EPUB to the Kindle, you can generate worldwide and X-ray for this EPUB. Next we have PDF cover plugin that adds a cover image at the beginning of a PDF file. So it's useful if you deal with a lot of PDF files in Calibre. Next we have FanFicFare, which is a plugin that helps you download fanfiction stories from various websites. So as you know, there's the full list available on the website myereader.net, and there is a link in the description to the website. Next we have Kobo Utilities. So I have this plugin installed here. Kobo Utilities. Kobo Utilities is a Calibre plugin that adds a number of features that will be useful if you use Calibre with a Kobo e-reader. So it's pretty technical stuff, but it does allow you to make a backup of all the data information. And so if you reset your Kindle e-reader, you can use the backup to restore it. So it's pretty useful if you have a Kobo e-reader and if you're a technical guy. Next we have the DeDRM tool, and as you know, it's a tool for removing DRM from Kindle, PDF and Kobo files, which is Ebook DeDRM. There's a video on the channel if you want to know more about it. Next we have the plugin for Calibre, which is called Annotations, and it's a very interesting plugin that lets you manage all the text you underline and the little digital notes you left on your ebooks. So you can import notes, import highlighted passages within Calibre. This extension is only compatible with Kindle, Kobo and Tolino e-readers for German people. Next we have Count Pages, where it is here. It lets you count the number of words in an ebook and deduce the number of pages. You will need to store the information in a custom column, but it's simple. I really like this plugin I think it's very useful if you want to know what size an ebook is and if you will read it fast or not. Next, I will click here on New Plugin and show you two interesting plugins, EpubMerge and EpubSplit. So EpubSplit lets you split an EPUB file into multiple EPUBs, and EpubMerge lets you concatenate multiple EPUBs into one. So it may be useful. Next, we have Kindle Collection. It's a simple plugin that's useful to manage Kindle collection and setting them using Calibre. We have also the reading list plugin to define a list of books and synchronize them on device. Pretty interesting. We have also Prettify cover that scale ebook covers proportional to the size of the screen of your e-reader. If you want a beautiful cover for your books, maybe it is interesting. And for the last, we have Find Duplicates. It's a useful plugin if you have a lot of ebooks in your library and want to find duplicates. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to watch the other video and add a comment if you like my French accent. Have a nice day. Bye.